bit of a conversation. Today's a wrap up. So usually what we do is at the end of the week, we all get together, we talk about the things that we learned, the things that we experienced during the week so that we can kind of like recap and think about things. And you know what? I might get some good feedback too. We might change things up a little bit, but today is going to be an AI focus because we have some new tools that came out. Gemini 3 just popped, Nano Banana 2 just came out. Things are heating up in the AI arena, right? So we've got ChatGPT 5.1 Pro and Max. We've got Claude, Sonnet, and Opus 4.1, 4. Or 4.5 and 4.1 respectively. And then we have Gemini 3, and now we've got Grok 4.1, which is a little bit of an older model, but it's supposed to have like enhanced reasoning and stuff. So see, I don't like that idea, Clover. I even though it's good for money, right? I don't like that idea because it's a shitty way to do business. If you look at Me 6 and when you download Me 6 and you want to use it for certain functions, you realize that you really can't use the bot because you have to pay for it, right? You get little limited functionality out the gate, but most of the shit is gated behind a requirement for you to purchase it. I don't like that because if I want to use the bot for specific purposes, then I want to use the bot for specific purposes. Like I'm gonna have a whole role system, voting system, and everything. I may make it freemium where you can use the basic tier of the thing, like if for the quizzes, right, you can upload quizzes that are locally stored to your server but they become a part of a large pool, right, and then other people that pay for the premium get access to all of the pool of quizzes on the thing, right. So like you as a free user contribute but don't benefit from that pool, right. And then you as a premium user get access to the pool and can create your own private quizzes, for instance, right? And then for like the because I think the QuizBot function is like super unique with the asynchronous handling, and how we set it up. And then the more people that use it and create quizzes that are all 100 question quizzes will then help provide better utility for everybody else. And then I want to add like a voting feature where you can upvote or downvote quizzes based on like accuracy and shit. And then people don't have to worry about like, do I have to go through all 100 questions? Because then other people would have commented or voted on it and said, "Oh, this was a terrible quiz. It didn't help. There were tons of wrong answers. There were multiple right answers. There were multiple questions that didn't fit the quiz type or whatever." So that's kind of where I'm going with that. JK. All right.
They're making me laugh in the chat. Sorry.
So let me share my screen here,
Here we go. There you go. The screen is out. The screen is out, people.
and I will give you guys my ugly mug because I know how much you love seeing this disgusting mug of mine. 1 second. Let me get this up. There we go.
We wanna see the new hair color. When are you gonna have it?
Oh fuck! I gotta get that done, dude. I'm probably not gonna get it done for a little bit though. So all right, we got the bot running. It's collecting information properly, batching events, writing complete. Awesome. Bot manager. Let me get rid of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna explore Gemini first because I'm actually really excited about Gemini. Gemini
The
3.
three, the Gemini 3. Should I type? Oh, okay. It's just, I'm gonna follow through. Gemini 3.
All right. Build with Gemini 3. Got it. All right. Gemini 3 Pro preview. So I'm working on something specifically right now with data processing from my company on the side, right? So I do TTL. I'm a co-founder of Dream Test Labs as well as a CM here. It makes for a very busy life when we get busy with tests, but it also is an opportunity. Like I'm trying to build up something for myself. I don't want to be stuck working for people all the time, right? Um, it's just it's a goal. It's a goal to be able to self sustainably run my own company, and me and Maddox are in it together. So like it's a fun adventure, and it also allows us to provide some value back to the industry. Um, I use Claude for it. I haven't used Gemini for coding before, but what I want to do is I want to create a system that allows me to process feedback data forms from testers and provide a comparative uh spelling that wrong, qualitative quality quantity comparative comparative I comparative, yeah, I think that's it, report based on the data. I will provide you with the Proctor script that we used during the 1 hour video test of the product. I will also be filtering the data from the video and transcripts to take notes in a structured form for processing between all users. There will be outlier data that velocity. I don't know yet. Red or blue? Realistically, somebody said green, and I like the idea of green because like they have this really cool Arctic fox color that's amazing. And I think it's space cowgirl or some shit. It's called. It's a really awesome color though. Like it's really awesome. Yes, I talk while I'm typing sometimes, and I do that more when I'm typing live um rather than when I'm working by myself. Sometimes I do on my own too, but there will be outlier data that I will clearly mark, and this data is important, but likely not directly related to the question or to the structure of the test. These are bonus data points, and if any align, I would like that compared and generated into charts and um, summarized data for one summary document with charts in HTML format that will be converted a PDF or PDF and to a docx detailed document that will have index and a more thorough breakdown of testing. Help me design this. I want this to become automated process that I can reuse between tests. Also for feedback forms in CSV processing. Be not tests. Okay, let's see what they do. Oh, you know what? Let me copy this in case it gives me an issue with billing. Build. Yo, Lucas, what's up, bro? Okay, define your standard schema to structure for structuring the feedback. Okay, it's thinking. Let's see what it does. I have a big issue getting anything off in the first prompt. So I noticed that like a lot of times you've got to mess with this multiple times to get it to work really well. Um, and that's for any AI. Like if you wanted to look over the history of my prompts, like me going over some of this stuff is like this is just me messing around with the quiz profile and the profile functionality, and it goes back a ways, right? I've got like so many scripts, so many prompts over the past month trying to get this shit to work. Okay, metadata.json, index.html. So it's building out the indexes, the types, services, Gemini service, the TS. So it's building out the like frameworks for the HTML document that I'm going to be using, and is using TypeScript as the JavaScript, or yeah, as the scripting language for functionality, and metadata.json is going to be all the data. Which okay, components, report view, TSX, app, and then the main app. So I guess it's using Reactor next. Um, so there's that. Okay. Ah, this is ugly. Hold on, I can't see. Log into Google using the Google SSO button. What's this? Proctor script setup. Define the questions or tasks used during the video test. Okay. That's actually not bad. Task or opinion, right? So this is the task. Um, input data, new participant, right? Ooh, this is nice. Hold up. Hold up. What? Outliner bonus data. Oh, okay. Process analyze. No, that's actually processing the data between participants. Report. Oh, this is actually pretty cool, guys. Like I did not expect it to on the first time. This is actually pretty cool. Holy shit. Um I don't like the box highlight in the Proctor script setup section. Generate a few uh sample Proctor scripts and data inputs are and participants slash data input um forms and forms so I can process and analyze them. Let's see what it says. This is pretty friggin' cool, dude. Ohio. Thank you,
Portuguese
Emmy.
velocity. That's
Hey,
Portuguese.
Luna. Luna is one of the administrative assistant for Dream Test Labs. She like we're all broke, so like we all don't make much money right now. We're working towards building up the client base, but we're not there just yet. But she was nice enough to go and do a Luna hunt at YGG. She was lucky enough to be there, meet up with the wolves, meet up with all the friends down there, and she was able to give away some of the merch that we had for DTL. That was a good time. Yeah, but Luna's a regular in the space. She's everywhere. Thank you, Luna, for being so amazing. Let's see. Let's see. Why does Luna give you PTSD, Kyle? What did Luna do to you? how did she give you PTSD during the crash? Oh, it even named this Qualiquant. What? That's kind of funny. Okay. Here are the changes. View difference. Okay. Modified. app.tsx. Import plus. Metadata. Description. Comprehensive script. Comprehensive script. Let's use data. and utilizing Gemini Flash 2.5 to generate quantitative metrics. If I onliners, this is right. Okay. Input data, process and analyze. Okay. You did not create new participants. Create a new Proctor script. New random Proctor script. Or any random user data and there we go. Control enter works. Come and toast me. What? I'm confused. I don't even want to know what that means, guys. Never mind. I'm no longer curious. Luna! Luna's got her DTL hoodie on. Let's go. You see that, JK? JK. Did we lose you, JK? I'm down to do it next year too, Luna. Only it's gonna be find the DTL team. It's not just gonna be find Luna, because next year I'm going to YGG. We're all gonna be part of the hunt. Velocity, bro.
That's a nice hoodie.
I know she
And
got
also the cap.
yeah.
Oh, Luna, send me Taris's cap and hoodie.
Well, no, the cap's not ours. The cap's different.
Oh, she just made it. Oh,
Yeah, the
that
cap's
looks good.
the hoodie came
I
out. You
thought,
gotta send a
yeah.
picture of the back, girl.
Oh, you saw her? Oh, everybody's there.
No, I didn't see
Actually,
her. She sent me. She sent.
no, 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 no. She meant like in the chest. She said something. Oh, the back is also good.
Yeah.
I love the details.
Oh yeah, they came out great. Maddox was a
Yeah,
little upset because the
is
logo was
it
supposed to be on one
rubberized?
side or the other or whatever.
Is it
What?
like the rubberized thingy? The print is like the rubber thing.
I think it is the press. I don't think it's the embroidered. So yeah.
Yeah, I mean like the yeah, but like the rubber thingy. I like it. It's nice. Yo, that's a good one.
Okay. Input data. Power user. First time visitor. Let's
Paris, you have
go.
to give me. Do you have to give me one for Christmas?
It glows in the dark. I gotta
Which
get
one?
Luna. I gotta get Luna to make some more for any of our Filipino friends.
Yeah, that's really nice. It's perfect for evening.
Now it's loading
Yeah.
the report, process, and analyze. Go.
Paris,
Analysis is
next year
complete.
we're going, right? Next
Yes,
year we're
next year I'm
going.
going. Next year, yeah, we're going. Oh, you're coming
You,
with me?
me, and Toxic had a promise.
Yeah. You, me, Toxic. We're getting Maddox down there. We're gonna have Luna down there. I'm probably gonna try to see if we can get Valent. He's working on becoming a grant writer for us and a BD guy. He's getting some
Valid?
experience. Yeah.
Oh,
And
let's
then and
go.
then we've got Moglin. He does it like our operations support. And then we have Denka, who's one of our lead testers slash researchers. He's more gaming
Wait,
focused.
Ankylosaurus?
Yeah,
Oh, I love his accent.
I know. Maybe he's such a spaz though. I love him. He's such a spaz though.
He's a good
Um.
vibe as well.
Oh yeah, he's a great vibe. He's always a good time. Oh, let's go!
Oh, nice
Let's
one.
go! YGG DTL fam in the house. Leo.
Tell them to make sure to join DTO.
Most of them are from DTL. That's why they were hunting Luna down.
Let's go.
Yeah. We've got like 200 members in the server.
Filipinos?
It's a mix of Filipinos. We have a couple people from India. We have some Western European. We have a few people from the U.S. A few South America. Like we're global, baby.
Oh,
All right, let me
I
save
am.
this image. Bro, we've been building this out since May, Clover. So like velocity, you are very single. Um,
You guys, if you're into gaming, go join Taurus's.
but that's the beauty of it, JK. It's not just gaming. We do
Oh,
everything. We're right now we're testing a payment widget. Before we test, we're gonna have a website test
oh,
coming
which
up.
one?
A payment widget.
Payment with
Yeah, for
payment
Web3.
widget.
Yep. So payment widget for Web3. We have a website test coming up. We've tested a streaming service, streaming site, the Arena, and we've tested what was the other one? We've tested another game called Moonray. We did a Moonray test for some feedback for them.
Mm-hmm.
That was before we were really established though, so that one kind of doesn't count. And then we did a play test for another game that was like pre-launch. That one I can't. I don't think I'm still allowed to talk about. So yeah, certain clients we have like confidentiality with that won't allow us to talk about the tests,
Yeah,
and
I
then
get it.
others are like, I don't give a shit. We loved your service. Talk about us all you want. You know, like so, yeah. But this is cool. Enhanced global navigation, improved discoverability. I don't like how this is formatted, but this is beautiful. This is actually really nice. This is probably the best. Okay, except for this. Except for this. But I'm sure that if I said, okay, the charts in the report need work. They do not show the
Match.
data portions on the x axis
Oh,
properly. Um,
okay.
I like the key trends, and then we can just style this from here, right? Um, recommendations are not formatted well. Everything is bunched together with no line breaks. Breaks everything bolded, bolded, and I would like the raw data appendix um with the steps to have a colored colored bar that is um build based on the success rate percentage or the success rate percentage and the average sentiment. Oh shit. Bang. So now what I'm gonna try out 5.1 also with like the same prompts that I have here, and we're gonna see. So now, guys, like I know a lot of you guys use AI. I've seen it from question submissions. I've seen it during competitions. Um, there's nothing wrong with using AI, right? Luna, you're not a headache. Come on now, you're awesome. Who's that? What?
She's teaching Emid what it means. Like what kind of headache it is. Like not a normal headache, but like a girl headache. Talking about the bot, this is really cool. It gave you this within the span of like few minutes.
This has been under 30, 15 minutes. Under 15 minutes. I've gotten it to where I can set categories with
Yeah.
tasks. I can set
Mm-hmm.
categories for opinions. I can save this as a script and then get the input data and put the input data through when once it's done. Right? Like this is amazing. So let's load another demo scenario. Travel app booking. It even generated the travel. Yes, a half an hour is more than enough, Shadi.
But he's not allowed to go.
Shady,
You
shady.
cannot go, Shady. You're gonna stay here, Shady.
Shady ain't going nowhere. I don't like Shady. Shoddy tends to
I'm gonna
stick
lock your
through.
profile in this stage.
Shoddy tends to stick through for the entirety. I don't see Shoddy leave unless he has something else to do. Usually Shoddy comes and he stays. Like a lot of you guys are hanging out more and more often and more consistently. I'm seeing more activity. I'm seeing you guys speaking more and participating more, and I love that. I want you guys to. That means that I'm doing something right, and you guys are valuing the data that you're getting from me, the information, the experience is good, and that helps. If there is ever anything that I can do to improve, I'm always open to suggestions for you guys. If there's anything you want for like topics and shit like that, anything that you think that I can help you with, I'm eclectic. I'll do anything, guys. With certain
You're what?
limitations. Um,
Epileptic?
eclectic. It means there's no real
Oh,
yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah.
okay. I heard wrong.
What did you think I
Sorry.
said?
Epileptic.
No, I'm not epileptic, thankfully. Holy fuck. She got epileptic from fucking eclectic. Jeez. JK. Oh my god.
They both start in ek and then it ends in tick. So, oh no. Okay.
It's too
See.
late. It's too late for you, JK. You need some sleep. Oh, jeez.
No, I have a meeting in an hour, in like only 3 minutes.
A
I'll
meeting.
tell you about it. I'll tell you about it later.
Okay. All right. So the report, step one, step two, step three. I don't like that one, right?
Yeah.
Because like the information isn't easy. I don't know what step one, step two, step three is based on this. You know, if I hover, that's cool because it shows you what the steps are,
Yeah.
but you have no indication that you should be hovering to check the steps, right? Date picker and calendar price were highly intuitive. This is cool. I like how they changed up the key trends, the outlier. Like they've improved. The recommendations are still garbage. Um, I like this though.
Raw data. Raw data appendix.
I like this. This like the way that it changed, but it also changed the data. Oh, but that's because I used a different demo, so that's fine. Let's see what it prints as on a PDF. No, it's not printing. Maybe because it's still in the code editor. Okay. Let me see. Should the print or save PDF button be functional already? All right. In the meantime, though, let me see what we've got here for. I should have access to the new one. Yep, 5.1. Um, but I'm not sure this is the right 5.1. More. Oh. Is ChatGPT 5.1 Pro in the Plus plan with the GPT desktop app? No, five is not is only in the Pro and Business plans, not the Plus plan. Okay.
Telegram. Choo choo.
Yeah, it gets annoying because it comes in through my phone. But I also stream from my phone too sometimes for games and stuff. So like I like to have that available. Um okay, here we go. Okay, availability per GPT. All right, let's try the OpenAI website and see. That's Whisper. I don't need Whisper. Here we go. What?
What is that? Oh,
It won't let me log in. Ah,
why are you signed out?
I don't know. Ugh.
Oops. Oh my god.
There we go. ChatGPT.
That again.
There we go. Auto legacy models. Nope. Um.
I get open and during GPT 5.1.
Okay. And this is the newly released GPT model. Then I can access it. Oh, to try the new codex. Okay, here we go. Codex. This one, yeah, Codex Max. Try new model now. Oh, I can try the Codex Max model? What? Let's go. Let's see. As you can tell from this, July 25th, I've been attempting to get this working for months now. It's not been an easy process. All right, where is Google? All right, so it reloads this every time, right? And then I have to reprocess it and everything. I want to try the image generation too with the Nano Banana. So I want to see. I want to see how this goes. I like that it shows that circle as it's loading, and then when it completes,
Mm-hmm.
it could be a little better visibility wise, but then when it completes, it automatically shows you the results. And then if I want to print it, I can go up here and print. Okay. Uses a scrollable dashboard layout, which sometimes gets cut off by print. Okay. This does not allow print though. But yeah, it's not that's not terrible. And I can see all the code, which is really nice, really easily. Um, yeah, this is nice. I like this. I think Gemini is probably going to be one of my new favorite coding tools. Um, oh, cool. You can select which programming language, and then I can audio source for the speech to text feature. I can select that too. This is cool, man. These are some apps that have been designed with GPT. Holy fuck, or with Google. Off of this character. Story is a slice of life story of an up and coming um Web3 influencer trying to make his way in the Web3 space. He has been building a brand, feels feels stuck. He, and meets a girl who changes his life. There you go. Let's try that. Let me see if I can add a file. Upload image. Desktop. CJNF. Um, videos. Resorted downloads. Documents. Shit. Pictures. No, that's not it. Documents. Downloads. Images. Desktop. Black square. DTL merge. Personal shit. Personal shit. No, not personal shit. Assembly work. CJNF. Assembly. CJNF. Quizzes unnamed. Extension. Projects. Assets. Nope. Other quiz. Orbit. Nope. Okay. Hold on. I, maybe I can just download the fucking uh my other thing. Here we go. X.com. Uh, oh, that's because I'm on the wrong account. This, there we go. X.com. Copy image. See if I can paste. Oh, I can paste. Build. Let's go. I haven't touched that account in forever. I'm gonna lose that competition. I'm ahead of everybody else still, but like, I haven't touched it in like 2 weeks. Yes, Survivor, you can. I'm liking Gemini better right now. Claude has some issues out the gate, but it's been difficult with Claude. I want to test this out more. Um, oh, oh, this is the code assistant though, so this might not be the appropriate place to do this. Hold on. Gemini 3.0. Try Gemini from Google. Here we go. Let's see what it does. This is creating an app. So this is straight code based. So even if I try to tell it to do something different, like with Claude, I can do other things, right? With this, it's strictly trying to code. So it's automatically going into the code generation, which is not terrible, but it's not necessarily what I wanted, right? But that's good. Codex. Oh yeah, fuck. I wanted Codex. Codex. And then I should be able to go back and then check. Here we go. I gotta check this one so that I can test new codex against this. Let's see what it does. I'm actually liking the design of it. It's got the Git connection right here and everything, like for push requests version. Oh, you can select the number of versions that you get off of it too. That's cool. Code review, archive, code review, enable code review, catch critical bugs before they ship. I want to know what code review is first, right? Like downloading a repo, running setup scripts. Huh. Let's see. Where am I? Okay, I already did this. Now I got to go back to where's the other one that I was doing? Does it not? Blockhead, slice of life, gaming, romance, personal growth. Dante, protagonist. Web3 gaming freak. Dante, highly stylized, imposing gamer aesthetic. Red tones. 5. He starts as a passionate gamer. Loved the idea of player ownership. Now he's a 60 fan. 50. But the constant pressure to shill new NFTs, chase metrics, and maintain his edgy persona has left him creatively and spiritually bankrupt. He sees gaming only as a financial transaction. He is constantly on, but totally isolated. Stuck point is content feels stale. Viewership is flatlining. He's starting to fear he's just another loud voice in a crowded metaverse. Emi Tanaka, the catalyst. Alias Nunn prefers to stay offline. Soft contrasting aesthetic, simple muted colors, creams, greens, she wears large clear glasses, has her hair tied. Okay, this is kind of cool. Vibe. Emmy is a quiet, insightful student. Works part time. Okay. Catalyst. Yeah, make sure that you circle your profile, dude. Um, let's see if it does it. I want to see. I want to see what it generates because Nano Banana is supposed to be really freaking cool. I want to see what it does. I'm excited.
Wow. Is that?
Why?
Ooh, the English for like Cote d'Ivoire is Ivory Coast.
Yeah.
I didn't they just use the Ivory Coast in Miss Universe earlier? It's easier to say. Look.
Have the image over the top of the monitor showing there. And facing. Let's see. Seems they have a lot of elephants. Huh.
Mhm. The country I was asking about.
So you guys, the he's not correctly positioned.
Which one? The character in the image? How do I zoom this in? It's already zoomed in and I still can't read. No, I'm not from Thailand. I don't sawadee ka. I say kamusta, not sawadee ka. Do you want him to face the thingies? You want him to like face backwards? Paris? Why are the monitors behind him and not in front of him?
Yeah, yeah. In front of him, facing him, so you can see him over the tops. Come on, with the glow of the screen.
Paris, I'll be back. I got 3 minutes.
All right, I'll catch you later.
Yeah, I'll be back here.
It's still not doing it right.
It's
Ah.
it's just gonna take 13 minutes. I'm only gonna be away for 13 minutes. BRB.
All right, guys. So for those of you that are still here, I'm going to jump into a little something, right? Now, when you're using AI, right, a lot of you guys tend to use AI to create stuff, right? And I know that you do. And it's okay to use AI. Come up with an idea, right? Come up with an idea. You want to do something. You want a really cool, like, post, right? I need an X post about exploring AI. I have been trying out Google for Code and Codex for coding and have found the new design of Gemini 3 to be so much more impressive than I have seen in the past. It feels more comfortable and generates really cool and quick responses for coding, but it does have errors and requires fine tuning after the first prompt, right? What's up, JoJo? I have noticed that it has a better general output the first time than other tools, though, besides Claude, because Claude I have installed on VS Code. Create this post in my voice for my account at Taurus Resh on X. Right? If we don't see it on our end, JoJo, it's probably going to be disqualified. I'm sorry. We don't allow retries. It's something that we've been very adamant about, and I know that sucks, but what? Crib? What do you mean you have to go out? So this is pretty cool, right? Exploring more AI tools lately, and it's been fun seeing how each one handles coding. I've been testing Google's new setup for code, and the updated Gemini 3 design feels way better than anything they've put out before. It's comfortable to use, and the first response it gives is surprisingly strong for quick code work. It still makes mistakes and definitely needs fine tuning after that first prompt, but overall the output hits better on the first try compared to most tools I've used. Claude is still up there for me since I've got it running inside VS Code. Always interesting to see how these models evolve. This is awesome. This is actually an awesome generation. I think this is so much more natural and it kind of meets my tone a little bit better because I just post, right? Like, I don't give a fuck. I just toss something up there, right? Now, what you guys tend to not do, like, you guys tend to not, like, you guys give it a simple prompt, right? This is probably a more in-depth prompt than most of you guys do, right? Like I'm sure for the eTurn thing, I want a question about eTurn 2025 um website, right? Like eTurn, right? And I don't even know if half of you guys put the friggin' website in um for an AMA competition, right? Now let's see what it says. It's probably just going to be another. I'm going to release another task for tomorrow. It's going to be some like and share task, probably, right? It's going to be a time task. There's probably only going to be 12 hours for it. Yes, I do use Claude as a VS Code extension. I have Claude. I think, yeah, I have Codex as well. So I have Codex. I don't like the sidebar for Codex, right? Um, the sidebar for Codex is not a fan. I'm not a fan of it. I like I was trying Windsurf as well. And what's this containers? I don't know what the hell that's for. So never mind. But Remote Explorer, Run Debug Explorer. Okay. So like I don't like these the side ones that pop up. That's not a friend of mine, right? It's not something I enjoy. I like being able to see it in the chat window here. That's kind of my deal. So, what do you mean lock it? I don't know which one Anaconda is. I also have the pro version of Claude, not just like the plus version. I got the pro version of Claude. Because I kept running out of tokens, but it costs $100 a friggin' month. How did you guys get the prompts that you guys get under Jupiter? Oh. Let's see what that is. Anaconda Jupiter. Yep. Anaconda Python. Python for Anaconda. Use cases impacting enterprise success. Get the guide today. JetBrains. AI powered Jupiter dashboards. 80% off. Um. Okay. Anaconda and Jupiter are closely related tools. Commonly used in data science and scientific. Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R programming language. Okay. So it's like its own IDE basically. It's like JetBrains or something. Or are they libraries? Okay. So yeah. Conda, a package and environment management system, and a Conda Navigator graphic GUI that allows you to launch applications, manage environments, and install packages. Oh, without using command line. That's nice. Command line's still something good to learn, Dan. The command line's just a powerful tool. It allows you to do things that a lot of GUIs don't allow you to do. It allows you to like really customize what you're doing rather than just double clicking a batch file or something. Like you don't you like for me when I was processing my when I was processing my AI, I was using Whisper or Assembly AI to transcribe videos, right? And I was using it through the API. So I was using the command line interface, and that allowed me to like configure a script and run it and set the number of speakers and set like I mean I'm sure I could create a GUI for it, but like it's not it's it's quicker and easier than trying to design a full GUI for a program than to just set it up so that the command prompts that you have set are available and configurable. I used to be able to do some really fun stuff. Welcome back, JK. That was short.
Oh my god, I told you I'll be back. I'll be back quick.
That was quick. That was quick.
How do I get up from the stage again? And like, oh, okay, left click, JK, and then okay. I'm back here. Let's go, guys. Okay, what are you teaching them again? Oh, thank you,
So
Emmy Jong. I'm actually new here. Which channel should I look at?
select a role. Everybody else ignores it.
Yeah, no, in the GMG, and they're asking.
Bro, the hellos every
Thank
channel
you, thank
drive me nuts. That like it says share and follow, not GMGN. All right, like
you.
say hi in French chat. Introduce yourself in introductions. These things are named intuitively so that it is easy for you guys. All right,
They're
when
getting
you
confused.
about what?
You know what? If they can even see the channels we can see, they're gonna get more confused.
Bro, like I've got 1,000 channels. I still find all the channels I fucking need. Like, come on. Jeez. But yeah, I don't know how some of you guys were getting gaming for eTarn. Because like the first prompt I did, I just did I want a question about eTarn for an AMA competition. And all I did was give it the website. So you guys weren't giving it a website,
Mhm.
right? Or whatever.
Yeah, it's important. It's
I
either
need
X,
a
X
question.
or the website. Then it will like help you out like easily. The AI can check from the X account, the website, and every other thing that is posted with the account, and it will give you a good reference about the project.
Yeah, that's what it is. How does eTarn plan to scale its tap to earn ecosystem? See, this is the type of question that I got. And it's because
Up to
you
earn.
all you guys did was I need a question for an AMA competition about eTarn. Bro, you guys
Lol.
have to do better than that. I am going to
Uh,
fail and like I'm gonna fail everybody that submits questions like these. I promise you that. All right, like, and I'm not trying to be an asshole about it, but if you can't put a little bit of effort into a prompt, I'm not going to put any effort into trying to find a reason to pass you. I know that's harsh, but like it took me 2 seconds more to type
mhm.
to type out this one maybe because I
Yeah, the
copy
website.
pasted the eTarn. Like, bro,
Yeah.
and eTarn's toilet to earn model turns human waste into organic. And I've seen a couple of these too. So some of you guys did do it. You guys didn't win, of course. Like I can't give you the win for that. Could you walk us through the timeline and key milestones for rolling out the smart toilets globally, and explain how ETAN token holders will participate in the revenue sharing or carbon credit economy? Like it even referenced the white paper, bro. Like it's straightforward. It's simple, right?
Mhm.
Like you can there's so many other ways you can do it, right? um i want I want several
Real questions.
unique
Question.
questions, right, directly related to
E-turn.
pointed components of
Ooh.
eTarn 2025 for an AMA condition competition, right? I Here are several of them. You described the toilet to earn model in which users earn ETAN tokens by using smart toilets. Can you walk us through how usage is verified? And I've seen some of these as well. I knew
Yeah,
they
I
were
say.
AI.
Yeah, I've seen that.
The white paper mentions converting human waste into what is the current status of fertilizer production and when do you expect the carbon?
Yeah,
I've seen that one as well.
I've seen this as well.
Regarding
Yeah,
the ETAN,
yeah.
I know most of you guys used AI, bro. Like I use it every day. Okay,
Yeah.
I know you guys used AI, and it's okay if you guys used AI and got some really good pointed questions, right? And you guys also learned something about it, right? I'm using this is just the web version of it. I don't
Yeah, the
have
web version.
I have the application version of it, but the application tends to suck. Um,
Yeah,
But like
same.
it
It's
generated
better
10
the web.
different questions for me, and I could pick from any one of these and have a better chance of winning than anything else. Not only that,
Yeah.
it's also not doing the fucking the excessive like long dashes anymore because they must have redesigned it to remove those, which is
Yeah.
also amazing because now it's going to be harder for you. What's up, Virion? It's going to be harder for you
Iberian.
to tell who's
I
actually using AI.
Iberian. This is bull. You get it, Tess? Look at her image that she sent.
Yeah, but guys, you can do better than this, right?
Or like
Okay,
at
this
least
is actually kind of
from
cool.
now on, at least from now on, you guys know. Yo, oh, I know what your reference about this earlier when you said you're gonna take down Catalyst because like they're using like this kind of thingy.
What do you mean?
Damien uses AI to make those images.
Oh, Catalyst does?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh
Damien is
no,
also like
no, the
doing like
Catalyst.
you. He's also like vibe coding recently.
Who is
That's
Hado
whatever.
or
No, Damien,
Damien? No, like
Damien.
I wasn't taking down Catalyst. I was talking about the Catalyst as the character. Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay, I
character's a
see.
catalyst. Emi Tanaka, the catalyst. Like, where did you get what, bro? I love Catalyst. I love Catalyst. Why would like come on? We all win together in this space. Like the friend group that
Yeah.
I've managed to make in this space is probably one of the best friend groups I've had in my entire life. Like realistically, I have one or two solid friends from when I was a kid still, right? And
Mhm.
I've noticed that people IRL you tend to not connect as good with as people that you connect with online because you end up connecting more and sharing more because you have shared interests. When you meet people
Yeah, yeah,
IRL,
yeah.
you guys don't it's not about
Yeah,
having a
it's
shared
different.
interest, it's having a shared location, a shared
Yeah,
church, a shared like a
where you can connect
bar.
every day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Work,
it's
but it
hard.
doesn't necessarily mean that you guys share the same interests. Like my buddy from work, one of the people that I enjoyed hanging out with and shit like that from work was more personality based than interest based. He liked going to the gym. I'm a fat fuck. Like there's a very big difference there. He was like a complete gym junkie, and I'm a potato. Okay, like there's no, but like
Yeah.
when meeting you, getting to know Icy, getting to know Peyton, Maddox, Valent. Like I've got a really good, strong friend circle, and it's just growing more every day, and it's strengthened by the fact that we have the same interest in the space. We have the same things that we vibe around. So yeah, bro, I am a potato. I'm 390 pounds, bro. I'm a potato. They're like if no, I'm
It's the
bigger than
whole
a
sack.
potato. I'm a fucking yucca or some shit. Like yeah. There's not just a potato, okay?
Whole sack of it.
But yeah, yes, exactly. But at the same time, like I realize that, and I have been working on it here and there. I fall off, I get back on it. I fall off, I get
Yeah.
back on it. But I'm like my goal isn't to be super skinny. My goal is to be healthy. I want to be able to move around without my knees or my ankles hurting. You know what I'm saying? I want to be able to experience certain things in life that I can't experience at this weight. I need to get under 260 or 265 or something like that because then I can go skydiving. Then I can go like snowboarding easier. Then I can go travel the country better or travel the world better because being a fucking potato and trying to fit into an airline seat is miserable. Okay?
Yeah,
Like
that's also like one of like the things sometimes I think about. Like say, how will Tari sit in like a Philippine Airlines chair when it's like so small, barely fits
yeah,
me? I was like, oh, how is he gonna do that? Is he gonna take like
I'm gonna have to
business
buy
class?
two seats.
Oh, wait,
That's a thing.
wait, can the
They
can the
make you
middle
buy
like
two
part
seats.
can the middle part be like lift up? I don't know. I thought it's like always gonna be like in the same position.
Depending on the airline, a lot of airlines
Mm-hmm.
that accommodate heavier people tend to have the
Mm-hmm.
arm that pulls up.
You yeah better like I think rather than getting two seats, better get like the business something or if
Well,
it's gonna cost
if I
like
can get a
almost the
two if I can
same.
get if I can get two seats for cheaper, then I'll have to take
Yeah.
two seats. I'm not yeah. Yeah, sure they don't, Virion. Just like your poop don't stink. Come on. Shua. Shua. I was dreaming and I heard
lol,
yeah.
lol,
Shua, get
lol,
out of here. You didn't
lol,
have to come back for
Miriam.
this,
Oh my
brother.
god. I just told people the other day that I'm gonna like benefit from like the poop to earn because I do it a lot.
Oh shit.
You-
ChatGPT died on me.
no. Wait. Okay, it's
Okay,
back.
here we
Is
go.
it back? I remember like there's the one day we were the Tuesday. Wait, was it that Tuesday? This Tuesday, or it like was not on. Like it was like Chat GPT was down and we couldn't like do shit, and we had to use it. Glad it's back up now. I've been using it
Ah.
for the other days. Oh my god, Virion, you have to get the doctor check you because that sounds so serious, girl. That's so serious. You don't poop right.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
shit.
You may need some you may need some medical care. What's going on,
Yeah.
Shua? How you been, brother? It's been a while since we've seen you, dude. You've been nowhere to
Prodigal
be
friend.
seen. Yeah, the guy learns a little bit, gets a little bit of attention, and then he fucking disappears. You know? Jeez.
She was back.
Yeah, I know. Uh huh. Uh huh. It's all right, brother. It looked like you've been doing good on social media, and I'm super happy about that. So keep rocking it out, man. Like I'm always gonna give you shit, but I'm also super happy when any of our friends are successful. So I don't care if you can't make it, if you can't be around for a little bit, it's understandable, dude. I get it. No, I'm
Yeah,
just saying
he's low-key monitoring you.
I see people on my thing all the time. Like I see you in a space or I see you talking or whatever.
He's slow. Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is sure.
No,
Come up
not at
here
all.
if you
Not
want.
at all. Oh God, here we go. So
I invited him to speak. Come on.
I that's like saying I'm monitoring you because I'm looking at my ex. If I
Oh
look
my
at my
god.
ex,
Wait.
I see Mario
Okay.
Golfo has a partnered show. I see Shiny's
Mm-hmm.
in Wilder World Game Night. I see, you know, like I look through this to see if there are
Yeah.
any interesting spaces to talk on. Vo's got a space. Am I monitoring Vo? No. Neo Tokyo has a space. Am I monitoring them? No. But it shows me. Don't feel too special now, Shua. I have a lot of more interesting people I can monitor. Jeez.
Even
I don't my exes aren't even on X.
I thought that you meant like that. Then I see like the screen like oh X X. Wait, they had the awards earlier. I don't know if it's already finished. Did IC win?
No, Icy didn't. I'm actually really disappointed in that because like Icy's been killing it. Icy's been more consistent than anybody in the space, even Kagi. So like for Kagi to win, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Like
Oh, this guy. I don't know him.
a lot of people don't like him. Like
Oh.
they consider him an asshole. Like I don't know. But he's
Mm,
also he's a big person in the space.
mm,
And
I
he does
haven't.
He's got a
sponsorship.
lot of business stuff. He's big on the Ronin ecosystem. I was
I
actually
see.
really
That's
upset though,
why.
because like Icy's constantly like Icy every day putting out content
Yeah,
every
that's why
day.
I know him.
Like
Because like I
yeah,
see him on X every day.
yeah, he's building out cool tools for the space. He's contributing in a meaningful way in without like just launching his own business or an NFT
Yeah.
token or some game or something like that. Like he's contributing in ways that make it beneficial for the people in general without being extractive, and it's amazing. He's always positive. He's super supportive, but like he helps little guys in the space all the time. I wish that I had seen him get the friggin' reward, man. Icy's amazing. Um, like even Peyton was up there, but like Peyton is running Wolves and Alpha Wolves and everything like that, and
Hmm.
he's doing a lot. He's building a business too in the Web3 space. But like I just feel like Icy 10 has that like consistency advantage over him still. You know, like I love Peyton. Peyton's amazing, but like Icy just has this drive that he keeps him tossing. Gaming daily, an episode, even a 5 minute episode every day, right, is a lot. Even with research, even with everything, like to be able to get a gaming daily 5 minute video down in one take. While maintaining quality and accuracy is ridiculous. If I had to do a recording take once a day, I would have to re-record that bitch like 5 times because I can't do it perfectly. I would not be able to do it perfectly the first time. There's no way. Like I spent a half an hour fucking memorizing Sankashite Itadaki. Like fucking
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like
Just that line. Uh,
yeah. Like just that
yeah.
line, I spent all night
Yeah.
memorizing, and like for me to do a script every day, like nah, bro.
With so much
Even
information, that's really
exactly, exactly.
it's a
It's
hard thing to do.
crazy.
Yeah, hopefully like next year they're gonna give him the award
Well, I mean
when we
that
all
also
can watch
depends
him
on
get
that.
it.
That also depends
Yeah.
on what other creators come up, what they start
Yeah.
doing. I mean, like really, I love Icy, I love Peyton, I love Sam. I think they're all amazing and all fucking super contributive. But
Yes, Sam is there as well.
but it also depends on who else comes to the space and starts contributing. Like if there's somebody else who I feel is more like is contributing more or producing more content and being as much of a benefit to the space as they are and killing it with like the quality and everything, I might end up voting for them. Like yeah, family and stuff like the whole like Icy, I'd probably still vote for Icy too, but like it also depends on the difference. Like if Icy didn't like started falling off or anything like that, and this guy fucking
Yeah, yeah.
blew up. Like it's hard to say because like realistically, you always want to support the bros, right? You always want to support the
Mm-hmm.
fam. Anybody who's
True.
who's in the trenches with you day in and day out, like you got to support. But at the same time, like you also want to be fair about who you're supporting. Because like you don't want people to not contribute because they feel disheartened or whatever, and that's something that can happen. Like I'm not gonna not vote for somebody because like that I just like this person better. Like I try to rate the content and the personality and the approach and everything that they're doing together. Like I don't just sit there and say, okay, well he's got a cool video and he's got a great personality. No, like it's kind of not my jam. Like that's not how I do it. Um, but yeah, so like looking at oh come on, bro. This is one thing that I hate about GPT that I notice. It takes so much memory and it crashes 13.2 gigs of memory, bro.
Gosh, that's a
That is
lot.
look at this shit. It's crashing out my page.
I've never had it crashed out on my end. Maybe it's because like you make it do a lot of stuff of like if you're typing it out. You have the pro, right? That's why it's like doing that. I'm just like barely logged in. I need to complete
Yeah,
quest.
I'm still not a huge fan of Codex. I might try it in VS Code, but I'm actually liking the design of Google better. And this is another thing. It looks like it's doing a lot better at websites and the general design because of the nano banana aspect behind it. So like I really like that too. Like look at this site. Let's take a peek. Look at this site, right? Oh, what? What? Okay, here we go. I got to check it out. Light and dark mode, visualize the unknown. Audience, college, standard scientific. What is this? Photorealistic graphic novel. Initiate. Please enter a topic to visualize. Oh. Um. See, this shit is cool. And this was all done with Gemini 3.0.
Wow. Wait.
It can't connect though because I don't have an API key, I think is what it is.
Hmm.
Yep, see? That's
Oh,
cool though.
API key, like the one that you mentioned to me before that you
Yes.
needed to use for that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that means if you input like an API key, that means the say ChatGPT already have access to that thing
What do you mean?
and access it. Like it's gonna be open for like whatever AI website you use. Technically, you showed them the API key, something something.
Oh, no, the API key is just the key that I use to access the backend processing for Gemini.
Mm-hmm.
So like be my personal API key and that would allow them to bill me based on my credit usage or whatever. Like it wouldn't like they like people still have access apparently to this website. Like they can see it. They can see the code. The only question is um if I design a website with this tool, will it be publicly available or can I make it private? Let's see. We're gonna get ready to kick off the Ducks soon, but
The racist hates Kyle. That's what he said.
honestly, I'm liking the
Which one?
um
You got
the
a
the
new one?
ran the randomization that I'm using for the regular bot. I'm enjoying that. Code I generated is private to you within this chat interface. However, since I am providing you with standard web files, HTML, you have full control over deployment. You can download these files and host them privately on Password Server, publicly on services like Netlify if you wish to share it with the world. Ultimately, the visibility. Okay, cool. So I don't like. I guess that these are just samples that they have
Mm-hmm.
that they generated so that you could check it out. But oh yeah, my web browser is bugging out, bro. I am done
It has
with
so much going
this.
on. You have to close out the others
No, I don't. I shouldn't have to. But
or clear the cache.
the site that I had up was Google 3.0, Kyle. So it's not similar. It's not really Imagen. It's more like a back end coding tool for Gemini. And then if you go to Gemini directly, like I can see if this does anything. Hold on. Fast thinking with GPT-3 Pro current tab. Huh. Add tabs so I can reference multiple tabs from the look of it. I have
Oh, that's awesome. You can like Yeah, that's a cool feature.
Let's see. But yeah, guys, like it's make sure when you're using these tools that you're giving decent prompts. Don't just toss random garbage in there and expect it to generate accurate shit for you. Okay? Because I see you guys do it often enough. You guys are tossing prompts in and you guys are saying just give me this, right? And I told you guys multiple times AI is a tool. It's not meant to replace you or your brain. It's meant to help guide you or create things based on things that you input.
Yeah.
So if you just say, build me a website, it's going to build you whatever the fuck it wants, right? If you tell it to build me a website with a purple main color with a gold accent, right? It's going to build that. If you tell it that you need a form submission for data collection, if you need an account structure and to create a database, if you need those things, it will create that. If you tell it to give me a question on eTarn, it's going to give you whatever it feels like giving you. It's not going to give you what eTarn is and like an accurate question or a good detailed question. It's going to give you random garbage. Tap to Earn, talking about on-chain gaming economies and blah blah blah, and that stuff it was nothing that it was about. So G, AI will hallucinate. AI will give you the wrong information. Okay, if you do not prompt things properly and give it proper references, it will not help you. Right? But it'll give me a full website. It's still going. It's still going. I don't know what it'll look like, but it's still going. Oh, that's cool. Off the Grid, being congratulated by Dub for winning Best Multiplayer Game of the Year. Society is teasing early access coming in
OMG.
November. Oh, Society's going. A lot of chatter about users like discussing industry figures like Kigi and inevitability of Web3 gaming. Market movements. There's a headline in your sidebar noting that Bitcoin has crashed below
OMG, one, two,
81,000,
three.
triggering significant liquidations. Solana Avalanche, you have updates from Solana sharing video content and Avalanche highlighting artist royalties via Record Financial. That's something cool. I want to see more on that. But it took more than what was just on the front of my page here and it referenced it. It referenced a certain amount of it, which is nice because I didn't have to scroll. I didn't have to see it. It just programmatically like parsed pulled information from the page, which is really nice. Um, yeah, calling all developers X API for what $1,500 a month? Get the fuck out of here. I'll build on free APIs, buddy. Sorry, free APIs, free libraries, free everything, except for like Claude and shit. But yeah, I need to get one of these. I need to get one of these. The RTX Pro 6000s. Whoo! I would be supercharging the AI locally. I wouldn't have to worry about shit. But yeah, guys. On that note, we're gonna start wrapping this up. So, what did we learn today, fellas and ladies? What did we learn today?
How to
What
use
did
AI.
yeah? What don't you do with AI, guys?
Don't be lazy to put the right information if you want.
Exactly.
Make sure to put all the needed
Gemini
information if
does
you want to
Clover.
do something.
If you have the free version, or if you have the free version of X, or sorry, not X, if you have the free version of Google Gemini, then it's likely going to be very limited. If you have the plus button, the plus version, it gives you a lot of um very like no, I didn't say I love you, Chua. Sorry, buddy. Um shut down. Um if you if you want to use AI, make sure that you use it right. Exactly. AI does not replace you. It improves your work. That's all it does. At some point, if you get advanced with AI, you can start doing what I'm doing and writing scripts for automation. You can start building your own AIs or LLMs and shit and make things easier for you. But it still needs you to prompt it properly. It still needs you to guide it on what it's supposed to do. And you're still going to have to iterate through finished versions of what you want, or like the process again and again and again, and tweak it until, yeah. Yeah, exactly, Clover. Oh, Gemini's free for one. Oh, for students, bro. For
Only for
students.
students. They're lucky. There are students in here. Guys, you go get that. Yeah, go get it. It's for free for you guys. I don't know. Maybe you have to send your ID or something for it to only be accessible for students. Yeah, I hope I am still a student, but I'm not. Yeah, same shoe. I also want to be a student so I can use this for free. Like it's a
You
year
know
for
what you do?
free.
You know what you
Damn.
do? You go and you get one course, one college credit course, and you take that course over the next year, or next semester, and then you do it again for the next one. Now you're enrolled in college and have a student ID. You take it remotely, right? And then you fail, and then you take it again, and then you fail, and then you take it again, right? And then you have
So good
access to
for
all of
records.
then you have access to
That's
all
so
of
good for
then
records.
then you have access to all of the student stuff consistently for one
Oh,
low
bye.
price every year.
Oh my god, this is bad. Why is he teaching us a bad thing to do, guys? No.
Hey, if it gives you an advantage,
No.
like realistically for all the student stuff, bro, like I could save hundreds of dollars a month probably. And a semester is what, 3 to 5 months or some shit? So that's like $500 I could save. So if I spend $200 or $300 on the credit, then I'm good. It's just hard to consistently fail. Like, but yeah, guys. So on that note, let's do some duck races real quick, and then I can get out of here and get back to work. I got some things I got to take care of for the weekend, and I also have some things I got to take care of for the Discord. We're gonna be doing a little more around some guides to participation in the server for both bro Clover. If I can figure out a way to save some money, I'll do it. Um,
Gonna enroll now,
so
guys, so that you can get the Gemini for 1 year for free.
Gemini for 1 year for free is how much? That's
I
20
don't
bucks a
know.
month. 20 bucks a month.
140.
What?
We're saving 240
Yeah,
for like
that's
a
two hundred
year.
forty dollars for a year. Now couple that with any other tools that you might get for free. Any other tools that you might get on discount. Like if you look at Adobe, right? Student prices. I'm squirreling again. Student prices for um design and AI tools. Canva, free access via campus. Figma, free for students. For paid software, Adobe offers considerable significant discounts on Creative Cloud, starting at $19.98 per month for the first year, while other platforms like Prezi have dedicated educational plans. EduPlus for $4 per month billed annually. Designs AI have a specific student/individual plan. Sketch, 50% discount. Adobe AI Assistant, $1.99 a month, right? UiZard, fucking 40% discount. 11 Labs, free creator plan for 3 months. Google Gemini, eligible students may receive free access to Gemini for a year through specific institutional oh, they specify what you get.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. That's not easy to cheat. Yeah. You say like it's free for only Harvard students. Like, oh my God, we all gotta enroll to Harvard.
Adobe Creative Cloud, right? Is
Yeah.
$69.99 a month. You get it for $20 a month. That's $40 a month you save. No, that's $50 a month you save. Yeah, that's $50 a month you save. That comes out to what? $600 a year you're saving? Couple that with the savings that you get from Gemini and the savings that you get on all the other stuff. I wish me Gluck too. Shit.
Gluck, gluck, gluck.
She got it. I couldn't help it. I saw the Gluck there, and I was like, I wish me Gluck too. Jeez.
I was just reading it like in my brain. I was like, and then you said it, and I had to like, Gluck.
Oh, all right. Duck races. Let's go. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do duck races because of how many people showed up today. Fuck.
Mm.
Um, that
You
might be
don't have
problematic.
premium.
Yeah, I'm not paying
Yeah,
for
you don't
premium
have
for duck
premium.
races either. I can design the duck races. All right.
Yeah, it's gonna make your own countdown timer. This is like literally a countdown timer.
Export current channel. CJF. There we go. Milestone threshold. We're going to do 30 today because I said I would. There we go. 230 total attendees. Damn. You guys showed up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hi.
Um,
What was he doing there?
what?
No,
Oh
the
yeah,
ad, the
I
ad.
have no idea. File, import, upload, browse, downloads, current consolidated. Let's see. All right, 230 for an average of 48 minutes. That's not bad. You guys did pretty good today. So, I'm going to take all these guys down to here. All right, cool. 30 minutes. There we go. Scroll up.
They're not gonna fit. They're not gonna fit. It's only max 100 for free.
Bro, some of you guys are leaving at 29.9 because you want to be
That's sad.
exact. Like, yeah, and I'm not including
Lol.
them. I'm not including them anymore. Because if
Lol.
they're coming in just to be here for the 30 minutes to try to get it,
Yeah, don't include them.
if they miss by
Yeah,
point one, I don't give a fuck.
yeah.
Oh, but if you remember, I didn't start recording for 10 minutes. So I gotta do at least 10 minutes. So anybody under 20 minutes today is not getting it. There we go. All right. Let's see. How many people do we have? Um, copy. All right. I got that. Let's see. I don't think I have enough room for ducks, so we're gonna have to do
No,
wheel
you
of
don't have.
names. No, you're here for more than 20 minutes, Virion. I think you're like 26. All right. We got 177 people to draw from. All
Let's
right.
go. Good luck.
Good luck, everybody. Ready,
Good luck.
steady, and let's go. first winner is Mishanya. Congratulations, Mishanya. I'm not doing the hunt through, bro. I'm not. I do that too often. It kills me in time and like
Sonia's here in the stage. Let's go. Congratulations,
congratulations, Mishanya.
Sonia.
All right. Ready, steady, and the next winner is going to be
Lol, the music. Oh my god.
Just Mike. Just Mike hasn't. I don't think Just Mike's ever won.
Yeah,
Just
this is my
Mike,
first time seeing the name
congratulations,
as well.
buddy. I've
Congratulations,
seen him.
Just
I've seen him on the
Mike.
stage. I just haven't
Yeah,
seen
they're
him.
here. Just Mike is here as well. Congratulations, Just Mike. Silent Watchers.
All right, and last but not least, let's go.
Oh
Oh,
my god,
exciting music for the
the
last
audio.
one.
This is giving me pirate.
Ethan Luna, congratulations,
Hey,
Ethan.
I know this person is here. Ethan Luna,
Ethan's usually
congratulations.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, they're always here.
All right. So that's our
Congratulations.
three winners for today. Um, I'm going to make the announcements for all of the winners. For that might not have added their names to or their
It was a random
wallets.
one tech done. Random song, I think.
Yeah, it's all random. I don't know what song it was, dude. All I know is that it plays. Like,
Shua, look at Shua. So you all could welcome me back with a W.
no, not at all, Shua. No preferential treatment, bro. You win or you don't. That's all there is to it.
The only two options.
Here goes Mishanya. Here comes Jazz Mike. Make sure you guys
Jay.
are opening
Jay.
a. All right, here we go.
Rewards ticket.
Yeah, a rewards ticket with your EVM wallet address. It should be the same for either ETH
ESC
or
chain.
BSC. Yeah. So if you're using an exchange, just make sure it is the same. Because there are some weird exchanges. I know, like Lemon
Wait,
in South
really?
America. Yeah, Lemon in South America tends to be a problem. For stuff
Oh.
like that. Yeah. So like, just make sure that you have the an address that is either EVM or BSC compatible. Yeah.
It's usually like in most like famous exchanges by Binance, it's gonna be the same.
Yeah, I don't
The
understand why.
ERC20 and BSC. I don't know, like yeah, why the I think they have like issues to their thingy. That's gonna be
You know
like a
what it
bit
is?
hard
I
for the
think that it
client side.
creates an
Mm-hmm.
instance of a wallet for each chain, which is
Eh,
weird.
yeah, it should be like oh, even like when you use like the only like change would be like if you're gonna like use Solana, Bitcoin, then that's only gonna that's understandable. But if it's like in ERC20 and the other like layers like under it, it should be like the same mostly.
Yeah, but it all depends on how they do
You
it.
know,
It's
yeah, that's
weird.
weird for lemon. Lemon is weird, guys. Change. Go Bybee.
And they well, that's the thing. Some people in South America don't have access to Bybit. They don't have
Oh,
access to. Oh, Doodle followed me. Oh, that's the
doodle
fake.
doodles.
Yeah,
Ah,
it's a fake Doodle. It's not the real Doodle.
aw,
Yeah,
doodle doodle.
Doodlegenics, the dude. You know him?
Ah, the one you guys mentioned in the group chat.
Yeah, he. I thought he followed me, but I guess not. Um, let me see what my analytics look like. Yeah, my stuff's falling off. I still got like 2,000 impressions on the 12th without doing anything. 150
That means you got
followers, 127K impressions.
nice,
Yeah, and
quite nice
it's been
numbers.
less than a month, you know. I haven't been on top of it. I gotta get back on it. I wanna try to hit that 1K by the end of the year still. But like it feels like such a waste of effort though.
Me, I'm not been pushing on X because I don't have the premium, and it's like it's just gonna be a waste of time for me, like at the moment. And also, like, I'm on like a content block. I only post in X on like with my rants, and you guys can see it. I'm like ranting earlier. My rant hit me like two tweets with 2K views, and I'm happy.
Oh, and guys, for those of you who are interested in BD work or whatever, check out Share and Follow because what's his name? TJ posted an opportunity and I tagged you all. I just want to make sure that you guys don't miss it if you are interested. Because some of you don't pay attention to tags on this server. It's an opportunity with Victus Global. They're looking for BD people, so it's a potential opportunity for you guys to land yourself a decent job in the industry if you have experience with BD work and have a decent crypto network. Then you guys can potentially take advantage of it. If you need help, if you're interested in trying to do something like this or want to learn more, TJ said that he would work with some of the friends from here. So just a heads up on that. There's opportunities here if you look, and there's periodic opportunities that some of our friends who've been here and who have participated. Are you okay, JK? Oh, almond went
The
down the wrong
almond,
pipe.
the almond.
Jeez.
I was eating almonds. So bad.
But yeah, we try to help out our friends here. So you guys make sure that you're taking advantage of opportunities that may present themselves because you never know when you may miss something great. Okay. But yeah, on that note, guys, thank you for an amazing week. We had a lot of fun. We checked out a couple new AI tools today. I'm going to be diving into Gemini probably a little bit more later because the script that I wrote earlier and process that I set up did not work the way I wanted it to. I need to get a good, thorough, like consistent process that does work. Otherwise, it's going to make my life harder as I go with the other business. But we'll figure it out one way or the other. We'll get things done. Um, if anybody needs anything, feel free to ping me. If you guys want anything new, make sure you toss something in suggestions. I'm open to suggestions. I'm gonna make a couple posts about our winners for both the AMA questions and for this week the ones who won who haven't submitted a ticket. I need that stuff by Monday. If you guys don't get back to me by Monday, you guys are going to lose your rewards. No ifs, ands, or buts. You just lose it, and then it rolls back into the pool of things that I can give away because I'm not. Yeah, no, I'm not giving it to anybody else. It gets rolled back into the pool. It gets rolled back into the pool. All right, that's how we do things. I don't just give it to random people. Nope, nope. I have a certain budget. I have a certain budget, and I
Yeah, like
like the
that.
fact that that budget has been in the green consistently, and we have ample excess if we want to do a bigger event or something like that. I'm not like I we get a certain amount every month, right? And I make sure that all of the things that I do are within that budget amount, and that there's excess. That way, if I want to host a contest, I can host a contest. If I want to push an event, I can push an event. So yeah, the pool stays the pool. All right, Klaus. But yeah, guys. On that note, thank you guys. Anybody who's hopped up and watched, the fucking 31 viewers. Apparently, some people have found some interest in the things I'm talking about today, considering the whole AI thing. I think Gemini is gonna change the game a lot when it comes to creation, especially with how like smooth the coding experience is. If you enjoyed this content, if you want to come and participate with the friends, come be a friend. www.discord.gg/CJN friends. We do this every day, Monday through Friday. Typically, we have other events like Maddox Mondays. He goes over creation tools, Toxic Tuesdays, where he plays a game with us. Um, and we have To the Moon Thursday every other week for those three events, and they provide different value. Caesar provides trading. strategies and tips. It's not financial advice, of course, but he tries to help the friends get better at trading slowly but steadily. And we've got things that we do around those events, competitions. Like we've got the LFG.land competition going on. We have creator competitions every week. Last week we did not do one because we got slammed, or this week we didn't do one because we got slammed with some other stuff, and I kind of just didn't have the time to get it out early enough to do it for the week. So I didn't want to launch it on like Wednesday or Thursday and have you guys scrambling to do shit. So yeah, Momoa is hot, dude. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what anybody says. Like he is like
Yeah, he is.
he is a gorgeous man. Like I don't know,
Yeah,
like
for real.
I don't
I love
like
him as well.
it's crazy. But
He's
like
the
every time I
man
see a
of the
picture of
man.
him, it's like I am so envious. This guy is beautiful. Like he's masculine as fuck, but he's beautiful too. It's crazy. But yeah. So anyway, before we got derailed with the random Jason Momoa pic, um yeah, so when it comes down to it, we do a bunch of different stuff each week. We do a lot of fun events. We do a lot of competitions for rewards and prizes. You participate, you have a chance to win. I do a lot of like ex creator content stuff where like I want to see your ex posts and see how you're structuring them and the media that you're using. If you're crafting your own media or just using GIFs, if you're crafting your own media or just using ChatGPT. That's why we have all the events around Canva and CapCut and creating animated graphics and animated slides, banner design, and all of the other things that help improve your account in measurable ways, right? So make sure to take a chance to participate. And if you do come in and you want to get some of that older content, we have it all on my YouTube. If you come in and you end up going to event recordings in the Welcome Center, there's every recording from every month that we've done. We have a lot of videos now, guys. Realistically, we've been doing videos and events since February. Um, this is a lot of content. We started doing like To the Moon or Maddox Mondays in April. We started doing like Toxic Tuesdays in like June or something like that. We've been doing Caesars to the Moon for the last few months. But you've got all the Guildhall recordings here, including educational and project based, and then you've got the To the Moon recordings and the game event recordings. I have to get more of these up, and the To the Moon recordings are all here. They're listed by slideshow. Yeah, so they have the slideshows attached to them. If there is a slideshow, then you got the YouTube link. It'll bring you right to the YouTube, which will
Recording and
bring you right to the event,
to share my
and
screen.
you'll be able to check it out if you want to check it out. If you see something in the slides that you are interested in, check out the video. If you're not interested in that topic, don't check out the video. It's that simple, right, guys? Um, but yeah, feel free to participate. Feel free to join in and enjoy all of the different things that we have to offer. Um, you guys keep me here. I provide you with as much value and information as I can, and in return, I get attention and amplification of the messaging I need amplified and attended to. Right? Like so, yeah, we all win. I appreciate you all for. Yeah, I know. 2 hours after, girly. I don't do anything short. I can't help it. I'm neurotic. Okay? Everything takes forever with me. I'm like a woman. Okay? Are you happy? All right, guys. On that note, no, yeah, yeah. On that note, yeah, it's got to be big. Got to be big, JK. Oh, I like them double D's. No. Um See, it can be twisted any way you want, right? But yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for having fun. I'll catch you guys next time on the next week is going to be a little different actually. Next week's going to be kind of an off week. We're not going to have as many events during the week. I do want to do a Wednesday event. We may or may not do a Maddox Monday event. It all depends on what Maddox wants to do. If he's going to take the week off, then we're not going to have an event because it's a holiday week. If Toxic decides he wants to do it, then he can do it on Tuesday. That's perfectly fine. And then on Wednesday we'll probably have like a hosted holiday event. We'll do a little something for Thanksgiving. Maybe we'll have a little competition around it for the holiday. Whether you celebrate it or not, we'll end up tying that up on Sunday or whatever. So yeah,